Bonjour à tous. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today we are going to start talking about a new chapter. So we're talking about chapitre 2, so chapter 2. And this chapter is one of my favorite chapters to teach because it's all talking about likes or dislikes. So this first question that we have up here is qu'est-ce qui te plaît? So this first word, qu'est-ce, so qu'est-ce means what. So qu'est-ce qui te plaît? We're asking, what is it that you like? So try to say this one with me. We have qu'est-ce qui, say qu'est-ce qui te plaît. Qu'est-ce qui te plaît means what do you like? So first, before we can start saying things that we like or don't like, we have to say I like or I don't like. So the first words we're going to talk about is j'aime. So that first word is j'aime. Say that one with me. J'aime. J'aime means I like. So j'aime means I like. Next we have j'aime bien, which means I really like. So j'aime bien. Say that one with me. J'aime bien. And j'adore. J'adore means I love. I'm sure you've seen that on t-shirts before. Usually Forever 21 loves to put them on t-shirts. So we've got j'aime bien and j'adore. Now to say that we don't like something, we have je n'aime pas. Try to say this one with me. So we have je n'aime pas. So you've seen this ne and pas before, and you've seen it when we talked about avoir, but now we're starting to recognize, or we should be starting to recognize, that this ne or an apostrophe and pas is kind of like a sandwich, and it's going to go around our verb. So if we pretend that our verb right here is the meat of our sandwich, this ne is our top bun and pas is the bottom bun. So it always goes around the verb. So we have je n'aime pas, which means I don't like. Next is je déteste. So say that one with me. Je déteste. Yeah, it means I hate. All right, so next question is qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? So let's say this word together. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? So qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire means what do you like to do? So now we're going to be talking about some verbs and saying that we like to do something or we don't like to do a certain activity. So the first verb that we have up here is manger. Say that one with me. Manger. So manger is the verb to eat. And I didn't write out any English on here because I wanted you to kind of get an idea based off of the picture. So looking at that picture, we have a man who is eating. So manger is the verb to eat. Next is the verb dessiner. And the verb dessiner is the verb to draw. So say that one with me. Dessiner. Yeah, dessiner is the verb to draw. Next, we have the verb étudier. And so we know that étudier is the verb to study. Let's try to say that one. Étudier. So whenever you see an E with this accent aigu on the top, it makes an A sound. And notice all of these verbs that we've talked about so far, they all end in ER. And when a verb ends in ER, it also makes that A sound. So we have étudier. So whenever you see a verb that ends in ER, it's going to make that A sound as well. Last verb that we have is the verb lire. So the verb lire. And so our last verb is lire. Lire is going to end in RE. So that makes a R sound at the end. Everybody try to say lire. So lire is the verb to read. So these are all the verbs that are super important for this chapter because they all talk about things that you might like to do or things you might not like to do. All right, so with manger, so we're going to take our first verb and we have qu'est-ce que, remember means what. So qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? So qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger means what do you like to eat? And we have la glace. What do you think la glace is? Ice cream. So everybody say la glace. So la glace. So la glace is ice cream. Then we have lay, like lay down, lay, frite. So say frite. Next is le fromage. So le fromage is cheese. And le chocolat. Chocolat. Say that one with me. Chocolat. So le chocolat is chocolate. Now, as we start going through and talking about specific items, like actual like items, not verbs, you'll notice I put things in either pink or blue. If it's in pink, it means that it's feminine. If it's blue, it means that it's masculine. So that's going to be super important. So just pay attention to those colors so that you can remember the gender of the item. So we have la glace, ice cream, is feminine. Les frites is plural, but the singular, like one fry, is feminine. Le fromage is masculine, and le chocolat is masculine as well. So a quick review, we have la glace, les frites, le fromage, le chocolat. So, est-ce que tu aimes la glace? Est-ce que tu aimes la glace? Est-ce que up here means do or does. So, est-ce que means do or does. So, est-ce que tu aimes la glace? So, tu aimes means you like. So, we're saying do you like la glace? We remember should be ice cream. So, est-ce que tu aimes la glace? We're asking, do you like ice cream? I have j'aime la glace à la fraise. So, j'aime means I like. Remember that from our first word. J'aime, I like. La glace, ice cream. À la fraise just means strawberry. So, I highlighted that pink to match the strawberry ice cream. Mais, but, we should remember that from our first chapter. Mais, je n'aime pas, I don't like, la glace au chocolat. So I'm saying that I like strawberry ice cream, but, and then you tell me what this last part means. Je n'aime pas la glace au chocolat. It means I don't like chocolate ice cream. And then last part, je déteste la glace à la vanille. Je déteste la glace à la vanille. So je déteste, we should remember, means I hate. La glace is ice cream. À la vanille is what? Vanilla. So we've got strawberry, fraise, chocolate, chocolat, and vanille is vanilla. Est-ce que tu aimes manger les frites? So now we've seen this question before, that tu aimes manger. Est-ce que, remember from our last slide, est-ce que means do or does. So est-ce que, try to say that word. Est-ce que tu aimes, say this part, tu aimes manger les frites. So est-ce que, we remember, means do or does. So est-ce que, do, tu means you, aime means like, manger, we remember, means to eat. So do you like to eat les frites? What are les frites? Fries. So I'm asking, do you like to eat fries? We have j'adore manger les frites. So j'adore, we should remember, means I love. Manger is that verb to eat. Les frites are fries. Then we have je déteste. So je déteste, I hate. Manger, to eat. Les frites, fries, avec de la mayonnaise. What do you think la mayonnaise is? Mayonnaise. So sometimes people like to eat fries with mayonnaise. I think that's a little weird. Je préfère. So look at this word right here. Préfère. Say that one with me. Préfère. So notice when we have that accent aigu and that accent grave, we take the word up and then we bring it back down kind of like a house. So je préfère manger. So I prefer. So this is the verb to prefer. So I prefer to eat les frites avec. Say this word with me. Avec de la moutarde. Say this one with me. Moutarde. Moutarde. Yeah, it's kind of hard to say. So, je préfère manger les frites avec de la moutarde. So, what do you think moutarde is? Mustard. So, some people prefer to eat fries with mustards. Madame is not one of those people. So, j'adore manger les frites. I love to eat fries. Je déteste manger les frites avec de la mayonnaise. Je préfère manger les frites avec de la moutarde. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes lire? So, qu'est-ce que, we should remember, means what. Qu'est-ce que, what, tu aimes lire? So, what do you, aime means like, and lire is this verb right here. So, lire means what? To read. So, qu'est-ce que tu aimes lire? What do you like to read? We have les magazines, les romans, les journaux, and les bandes dessinées. So, les magazines, say this word with me, les magazines. So, les magazines is pretty easy to figure out. Looks just like the word in English. So, magazines, les romans. Say this one with me, les romans. So, les romans are novels, like books, chapter books kind of. Les journaux. Say this one with me, journaux. Journaux are newspapers. And les bandes dessinées. This one's kind of hard, so let's say this one together. Les bandes dessinées. Les bandes dessinées are comic books. So think of this kind of like drawn bands. That's kind of helpful. Bande dessinée. So comic books. So un peu de révision, a little bit of review for today. First off, we had j'aime. So j'aime, say that word with me, j'aime. Next, we had j'aime bien. Say that one, j'aime bien. And j'adore. Then we had je déteste. Or I'm sorry, je n'aime pas. So je n'aime pas, I don't like. And then the last one, je déteste. Déteste, I hate. So, ça, c'est le verbe. This is the verb manger. Manger. Say that one with me. Manger. Next was the verb dessiner. Dessiner. Then the verb lire. Lire. Then the verb étudier. Let's say that one. Étudier. We have la glace, les frites, le fromage, and le chocolat. So let's say these ones one more time. We have la glace, les frites, le fromage, le chocolat. Next, when we're talking about things that we like to read, we have les magazines. So say this one with me, les magazines. Next was les romans. Les romans. Les journaux. Les journaux. And les bandes dessinées. Say this one, les bandes dessinées. So comic books. All right, that's all for today. We will talk about more of this vocab on Wednesday, but in the meantime, make sure to rewatch this video. And also in the PowerPoint, I put in some little buttons that you can click on to hear me say words if you want to just hear that word again. And make sure that you repeat after me when I'm asking you to so you can get some good speaking practice in. C'est tout et à plus.